In this video, I will show you how you can apply a screen protector on your iPhone 15 Pro. And the process is the same even if you have an iPhone 15, 15 Plus, or even the Pro Max. Now to start, first of all, just grab a soft cloth and clean the screen of your iPhone. Now just clean the screen of your iPhone and make sure you don't even leave a tiny dust particle, because even a tiny dust particle can create an air bubble. Now after you clean the screen of your iPhone, now just grab your screen protector. Now just remove this peel from your screen protector and align the top part on your iPhone. Now just make sure that the screen protector is aligned perfectly with your iPhone. Now after you place the screen protector on your iPhone, now just press the center of the screen and move your finger to the side. Now if you find a tiny air pocket beneath the screen protector, now just grab a squeegee. Now just press the squeegee on the screen protector and try to push the air pocket beneath the screen protector to the sides of the iPhone, just like that. As you can see, this is how you can apply a screen protector on your iPhone without any air bubble. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.